This 2019 Thor Motor Coach Miramar 35.2 is a Class A RV. It is located in Wayland, Michigan, 49348 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 100 gal freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features Bunk Over Cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2019 Thor Motor Coach Miramar 35.2 is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.